Welcome to our Amazon analysis. Meet our team. We have Charlotte Gongaware, our data analyst, Justin Garcia, our data visualist, Taylor Gagnon and Madeline Mankey, our professionalism experts, and Kurt Schnabelt, our video content specialist. Our report will consist of an overview of Amazon's operation along with the specific tests and variables that went into our findings. We then will discuss what variables we will use, followed by two visuals on statistics concerning discount and average quantity, along with the profit from each state. We will also discuss a detailed explanation of our tests and regressions, along with explaining the meaning of each coefficient and marginal effect. Of all of this will tie into what we found and what we recommend Amazon does with the upcoming information. Amazon is a global technology platform that provides many products and services. In this analysis, we ran 8 separate regression models to filter through all types of variables. We examine each model's adjusted R-squared, standard error, and p-values of the individual metrics to look for model strengths and statistical significance. Dummy variables, such as furniture type and region, are dummy variables. Some of our findings that we thought would be significant turned out to be insignificant. For example, profit per item growth was statistically insignificant. The variables we found significant when interpreting our data consist of revenue, discount percentage, furniture type, and central region. The intercept was the amount of profit Amazon gets per item. Revenue being the amount in dollars of revenue Amazon gets from an order. The discount a person receives off their order, measured in percentage. A dummy variable that equals 1 if profit order came from furniture, and 0 if profit order came from another category. Another dummy variable that equals 1 if profit per order came from the central region of the United States, and 0 if it came from another region in the United States. We have created a scatter plot showing earnings after such a discount. This visual, although not showing any trends, can be interacted with and can show what products are receiving discounts that are either too small or too high. On the right, we have the profit from each state. This graph shows the number of quantities sold to each state along with an interactive tool that shows the profit Amazon receives per order to each state. The darker blue a state is will be representative of the more profitable states. This graph can be used to understand where Amazon is not maximizing profits. There are many more interactive graphs that are public on the link at the bottom of this slide. Feel free to explore on your own. Some of these graphs will display total earnings after discount, monthly total profit for each category, annual total profit broken down by subcategory, profit from each city, and a summary of all the graphs and visuals. In this slide, we will discuss our regression model. With this, we have found our final population and our estimated sample equation. With this information, we will be able to find that our R-squared was 0.256. This tells us that we are 25.6% of the way towards perfectly predicting change in profit per item using this method. We have also found that the standard error is 48.539, telling us that our predictions of profit per item are off by $48.54. Using our significant variables discussed earlier, we have found that as revenue increases by $1, profit per item increases by 4 cents, on average, all else constant. As discount percentage increases by 1%, profit per item decreases by 60 cents, on all average, all else constant. As furniture increases by 1 furniture asset, profit per item decreases by $12.20 on average, all else constant. As central region increases by 1 central region asset, profit per item increases by $3.04 on average, all else constant. We have found that our marginal effect is negative 0.00392. This means that as the percentage discount increases by 1 percentage point, profit per order decreases by $3.92 on average, all else constant. Our shape will be concave up because our coefficient in front of our squared variable is positive. Our findings. Heteroscedasticity was the biggest issue in the regression analysis. We very clearly could see a funnel shape in the residuals plots. This can result in biased standard errors, therefore claiming that our hypothesis tests are untrustworthy. There is no evidence of endogeneity, therefore we can trust the coefficients that were used. However, multicollinearity was an issue for furniture, revenue and profit, and revenue. Revenue, discount rate, furniture type, and central region all led to a higher profit per item. Factors such as order day, order month, order year, consumer, home office, south region, east region, west region, same day, first class, second class, standard class, technology, and corporate are all statistically insignificant or had negative impact on profit per item. What we found. Based on the data, we recommend that Amazon have a low discount percentage, aim away from furniture sales, and target sales in/to the central region. Aiming more towards the central region and low discount percentages for each sale in the central region, sales per item increased by an average of over $3. After analyzing over 9,800 data inputs, we have concluded that finding which variables affect profit per item is very challenging. However, we found that revenue, discount percentage, furniture type, and central region statistically impacted Amazon's profit per item.